Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add an analog clock widget to your Samsung home screen step by step. First of all, on your empty area in your home screen, Samsung home screen, you can tap and hold and you can see there is some option at the bottom and you can tap on widget. Now on the widget, you can scroll down and find the clock and you can see here clock, tap on clock and there is some option to add clock widget. It's start from alarm, analog clock and digital clock, and here, and if you want to add this analog widget, you just need to tap and hold on the one of this widget and drag to the your home screen. You can place anywhere you want, so make sure your home screen has some space to drop this analog widget, and you just need to release and this widget is already added to your home screen. You can tap and hold and move this widget, and also you can change the size of this widget. Okay, I hope this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to support this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in another one.